Hello, I am Rohini Thumre. Today in this video I will be going to discuss biomedical solid waste. As discussed in previous video, there are three types of solid waste: municipal solid waste, biomedical solid waste and e-waste. We have discussed municipal solid waste in last video. Now in this video we will discuss biomedical solid waste, BMW. The biomedical waste BMW is defined as any waste generated during diagnosis, treatment of human being or animals or in research activity. The waste produced in the course of healthcare activities has a great potential and possibility for causing injury and infection than other type of waste. The major source of healthcare waste are hospitals and other health facilities, laboratories and research center, animal research, blood bank and testing laboratory, blood bank and collection services, nursing home, dental clinics and such related clinics. Out of total amount of waste generated by healthcare activities, about 85% is general non-hazardous waste. The remaining 15% is considered hazardous material but may be infectious, toxic or radioactive. Waste and byproduct covers a diverse range of material. Infectious waste. The infectious waste are the waste contaminated with blood and other bodily fluids or waste from patients with infection. Pathological waste consists of human tissues, organs or fluid, body part and contaminated animal. Sharps waste consist syringe, needles and blades. Chemical waste consist of solvent and reagent used for laboratory preparation, disinfectant, sterilant and heavy metals contained in medical devices. Pharmaceutical waste consists of expired, unused and contaminated drugs and vaccines. Radioactive waste consist of product contaminated by radionuclides including radioactive diagnostic materials or radiotherapist material. Non-hazardous or general waste consist of all the waste that does not pose any particular biological, chemical, radioactive or physical hazards. Now let us discuss the generation of BMW. High income countries generate on average up to 0.5 kg of hazardous waste per hospital per bed per day, while low income countries generate on average 0.2 kg. However, healthcare waste is often not separated into hazardous or non-hazardous waste in low income countries, which makes the real quantity of hazardous waste much higher. The generation of BMW, biomedical solid waste, in India is 1 to 2 kg per bed per day. About 484 tons of biomedical solid waste are generated per day in India, out of which 447 tons are treated. This diagram shows treatment and disposal of biomedical waste across India from 2007 to 2018 in metric tons per day. In 2018, the volume of biomedical waste treated and disposed across India was 530 metric tons per day. This was a mere 20 metric tons less than the total waste generated in that year. Common generators of this waste include hospitals, private clinics, nursing homes, medical research facilities, and funeral homes, etc. Now, check the composition of BMW. It consists of 40% of plastic material, 19% of textile, 17% of liquid, 11.60% of paper and other material like glass, sharp and each of 6.16, 1.73 and 3.45% respectively. Now let us see the impact of biomedical solid waste on environment as well as on human health. The treatment and disposal of healthcare waste may pose health risk indirectly through the release of pathogens and toxic pollutants into the environment. The disposal of untreated healthcare waste in landfills can lead to the contamination of drinking, surface and groundwater if those landfills are not properly constructed. The treatment of healthcare wastage with chemical disinfectant can result in the release of chemical substances into the environment. If those substances are not handled, stored and disposed in environment, incineration of waste has been widely practiced, but inadequate incineration or the incineration of unsuitable material result in the release of pollutants into the air and in generation of ash. Biomedical waste generated in our nation on a day-to-day basis is immense and contains infectious and hazardous material. It is crucial on the part of employees to know the hazards of biomedical waste in the work environment and make its disposition effective and in a scientific manner. There are different methods have been developed for rendering biomedical waste environmentally and aesthetically acceptable, but all of them are not suitable for our condition. The Biomedical Waste Rules 1998 has elaborately mentioned the recommended treatment and disposal option according to the different categories of waste generated in healthcare. The various new technologies of biomedical waste disposal are categorized into 4 groups: thermal, chemical process, radioactive processes and biological process. Most of these are still under research. Some of the methods of biomedical waste treatment managements are secured landfilling, incineration, shredding, deep burial, autoclaving, microwaving and chemical treatment. The safe and sustainable management of biomedical waste is a social and legal responsibility of all people supporting and financing healthcare activities. Effective biomedical waste management is mandatory for healthy human and cleaner environment. So, thank you for patience listening.